In advocating for gender equality within society, I firmly believe in fostering an environment where every individual, regardless of their gender identity, is empowered to thrive, contribute, and lead fulfilling lives. This advocacy stems from recognizing the pervasive impact of gender norms and expectations on individuals' experiences, opportunities, and well-being. At its core, my advocacy hinges on the fundamental principle of human dignity and respect. I firmly reject the notion that one's worth of capabilities should be determined by their gender. Each person possesses inherent value regardless of whether they identify as male or female, non-binary, or any other gender identity. Therefore, it is imperative that we dismantle the entrenched system of patriarchy and gender-based discriminations that perpetuate inequality and limit the potential of individual across society. Central to my advocacy is the recognition that gender inequality intersects with and exacerbate other forms of marginalization, including those based on race, class, sexuality, ability, and more. Thus, addressing gender inequality necessitates an intersections approach that acknowledges and confronts the multi-phase nature of oppression. Moreover, my advocacy extend beyond mere rhetoric to tangible actions aimed at affecting systematic change. These include the advocating for a policy that promotes gender equality in areas such as education, employment, healthcare, and the politics. It also entails challenging harmful stereotypes and promoting positive representations of diverse gender identities in media, education, and popular culture. Furthermore, I am committed to fostering inclusive space where individuals of all gender feel affirmed, respected, and supported. This involves creating environmental that recognize and accommodate the unique needs and experiences of diverse gender identities, whether in workplace, educational institute, communities, or public spaces. In addition to structural change, my advocacy emphasizes the importance of this entails challenging ingrained beliefs and behavior that perpetuate gender-based discriminations, violence, and oppression. It involves promoting empathy, understanding, and solidarity among individuals of all genders, as well as the fostering allyship and collective action in the pursuit of gender justice. Ultimately, my personal advocacy on gender and society is rooted in the belief that achieving true equality requires collective effort, sustained commitment, and unwavering dedications to justice for all individuals, irrespective of their gender identity. By challenging system of oppression, amplifying marginalized voices, and striving for inclusivity, we can create a world where everyone has the freedom to live authentically, pursue their aspirations, and contribute meaningfully to society.